Okay, good afternoon. 1 o'clock, or sorry, noon Eastern, 12 o'clock Eastern, New York time, November 28, 2018. A quick midday review. There won't be a lot here that I'm going to cover, but I am going to take a look at oil first and a few others. So oil got a bounce under the quad. We had a surprise build in crude, but it's done well now. It's bounced. We are short DWT starter position 1359, trading intraday 1305. We have a price target of around 862 from 1355 on the short. So we'll see how that goes. So far we're doing well. So it's trading at low day right now, 1303, and crude is right into the target for Wednesday, and looking for a retrace now, or a snapback really. 50% of the previous down move is what we're looking for. This is just a 1 minute for timing my trades. Some have asked about the machine trading. There's lots of detail there. We expect it to be a lot more high frequency this week, but we've done the adjustments now, and so I would expect the frequency to pick up. On the daily chart, there's resistance on crude at 52.15. I have to apologize again for my mouth. I have a lot of work being done. I have a small bone degenerative disease, nothing serious, but it does cause issues with my mouth. Okay, so main resistance there in 52.15. I'm expecting it to get up and over and hold it, and then it's going to see 53.35 area as resistance, and then the 20 MA. This is on the daily chart. The spigot chart that we're working on for our coding for legging into trades. This has actually been quite nice because it hit the, see how it hit the resistance trend line perfectly there, perfectly there, perfectly there. And these, these lines are here before trades anywhere near. Anyway, I'm hoping for it to get up over this resistance. So intraday, it's got a 52.50 resistance, and get up into the next and show some structure. That would be really nice. So that's what we're seeing in oil. We're expecting a 50% turnaround, considering the most recent sell-off. So if you just go to a chart and measure your 50% fib. So DWT here is still collapsing, 1292 low of day. I'll be right back. I'm just going to grab my coffee here quick. So oil here, definitely building through the quad. You can try a short at the top of the quad. I don't know if our machine trading will trigger at that short or not. DWT collapsing here at 1284 intraday. So resistance intraday on the model is coming in here around 5240, 5250 area, and it's trading 5205. DWT trading 1281. I'm just going to bring up a few other charts here. So I'll continue to watch oil on another monitor here while I run you through a few other things I'm watching. We're watching for a turn into Christmas, into December 20th. The one hiccup in there is there's a road bump in a volatility time cycle. There's a little peak December 5th. Other than that, whatever direction is establishing right now should continue into December 20th cycle. So we're looking at Bitcoin to continue its support and even up into Christmas, into December 20th. There's a trend line there, so the swing trading alert today was key resistance we were watching for BTC is at the first trend line 47.50. This also went to the Bitcoin alert feed. Because it's a market-wide turn, a lot of this is going into the swing trading feed too. So just get a hold of that chart and it gives you the trend lines that we're watching. S&P, this has done exactly what we thought it would do. So S&P looking for possible long. We'll try to avoid the December 5th volatility time cycle. That's the difficulty with this play, or we'd already be long. Not sure exactly what to do here yet, but we're going to figure it out. Anyway, there's a speed bump in that December 5th volatility time cycle. So we are looking for a long volatility that I'll explain here right away. So again, on DWT, an oil play, the downside target is there, and we'll definitely leg into this one quite heavily if we get anywhere near to a turn here. So we're short DWT. DWT is the 3 times leveraged short on oil. So we're shorting the short ETF. In other words, we expect oil to go up. And we're looking for around $8 to $9 target from 13.55, around the 8.56 mark-ish. And this is volatility. So on the daily, you got the Bollinger band. It's under the mid Bollinger now. We covered our short. It went well. The 50 MA is just underneath price, then the 20, then the 200, and then the lower Bollinger. We're expecting to see some support in here somewhere, and then a bounce in that December 5th, and then back down for December 20th. So we're going to go long, and then we're going to go short to December 20th. Arrowhead, this is one from a while back. It had great risk rewards, so we got into it, and it's got nice bullish action here off the 200 the last number of days. And it's getting into time cycle peak. I hope it peaks up, jumps up, and gets at least above that mid quad there, and then up into this area for a run into December 20th. So we'll see how that goes. That's ARWR. And that's it for now in terms of what we're watching or acting on, actionable right now. There is a swing trading report coming out, and then tomorrow at midday I'm going to go through all of those swing reports from that special series, just to bring that to conclusion so that we have our swing trades ready into December 20th. You'll likely see us enter most of our swing trades between now and next Tuesday for the December 20th time cycle. A lot of them will enter end of day Friday. This is real structural, and end of day Friday is the best time to do it, but you never know. And in pre-markets you might see some entries, but we're gonna significantly leg into our swings between now and next Tuesday. So if you're part of that subscription service, you want to really pay attention between now and Tuesday. Okay, thanks guys. You have a great afternoon. I'll be back for futures.